steady, we're almost aligned.
5 meters to the wall, hold your position.
Hold the tension on that line, we are drifting port.
Aye, holding steady. Winch engaged.
All right, heave, pull it tight now. Clear the starboard line, we're bringing her alongside now.
Okay, I show grid coordinates 4B. Ensure the timber stack is level.
Right there, hold it.
Copy that, easy on the slack, keep the tension. See the laser on the starboard side.
Adjusting now, bring her left slowly.
We are clear on blocks.
The corrosion extends much deeper here. We're looking at significant metal loss near the waterline.
Okay, I'm documenting the pitting now. Get a shot of the marine growth as well. All right, hold it right there. Secure the line.
Watch the meter. Bring the duct in slowly. We need to maintain airflow.
We're ready for the transfer. Open the valve slowly. Copy that, pressure coming up now.
Make sure you document the CVN 78 lettering thoroughly.
Already on it. The depth gauge shows consistent pitting across this section.
Make sure you get the full extent of this rust near the waterline.
Roger that. Getting the high-res shots now. Keep going on that section right there. We need to get all the thick material off before the next shift. Watch the blast, we're getting heavy fallout here. Keep that tarp steady on the left side.
We need to replace this entire section here.
And ensure the crop and renew zone meets the spec. What about the weld buildup area?
Make sure you get that seam completely covered.
Log this penetration here, about 20 centimeters starboard.
Got it. Checking the structural integrity now.
This section here is critical. Look at the depth. All right, logging as ALC, severe degradation. Aim for the water line, clear the barnacles. Got it. Watch out below. Bring it down easy now. Watch the port side. Copy that. Lowering. Staying clear below. All right, take it easy on the left. Bring her down. Down slow. Easy, easy, easy. Bring it down another foot. Watch your spacing on the left there. Hold it, we're clear.
This whole section here by the 78 needs replacement.
The structural integrity is compromised.
The corrosion here is worse than the schematic shows. All right, push that pile straight out the door. Let's clear this bay.
Hit it again. All right, she's tight.
The capacitor readings are stable.
Good, let's log that on the tablet.
The voltage on terminal block 3 is stable.
Okay, I'm securing the main conduit now.
Noted. Updating the schematic.
Is that exactly 12 meters?
Yeah, right on the line.
Okay, I'm starting the tape here.
We are finishing the repairs on the flight deck now.
The reading is stable at 25 localized thickness. Surface is clear now. All right, log that measurement. Let's move to the next section. Okay, move to the next section.
Clear.
This area checks out. Go ahead and mark it. All right, start spraying from the bottom edge up. Keep it even. Got it, boss. Pressure looks good. Slack the forward spring line. Tug, give a gentle push.
All hands prepare for slow rotation to port.
Steady as she goes, easy on the tug.
The structural supports here have all been reinforced, and the ventilation system looks fully upgraded.
The scale of this space is incredible.
Ensure all the piping is secured to the main supports.
We've double-checked the schematics, Commander. It's within tolerance.